marine warning for coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Suwannee River to Keaton Beach out 20 nautical miles, waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 34 nautical miles east of Marker 24 Barge to 18 nautical miles east of Buckeye Reef to 25 nautical miles northwest of Cedar Keaton near Suwannee River, moving west at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include V Tower, Buckeye Reef, and Horseshoe Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National